Hello student, today we are going to learn under machine design what is design standard, what are the benefits of using standard in design, what are the primary purpose of using standard in design. Use of standard in design. Standard are guidelines set by organization to ensure uniformity, safety and quality in design. By using design data book and following standard, engineers create design that are efficient, reliable and universally accepted. It can reduce cost, increasing productivity and improving communication among designer, manufacturers and customer. Standard are rules set by organization to make sure design are compatible, safe and high quality. Okay, now primary purpose of using standard in design. Number one, uniformity. Standard ensure all components are made to common dimension and specification. Standard are sure all parts are made to the same size and quality, so everything fit together properly. Number two, interchangeability. Standardized parts can be easily replaced or used across different machines. Standard parts, it is easy to replace or use them in different machines, saving time and effort. Number three, safety. Design standard include safety requirement to protect user and prevent accident. Design standard include safety rule to protect pupil and prevent accident during use. Number four, quality assurance. Following standard ensure that the product meets industry approved quality. Following standard help ensure the product is made with the right quality and work as accepted. Number five, easy of manufacturing. Standard simplify manufacturing process by specifying tolerance and material. Standard make manufacturing easier by clearly stating what material and size to use, reducing mistake. Number six, global compatibility. International standard, that is ISO, make design usable worldwide. International standard like ISO make design work all over the world, helping company collaborate and trade globally. Okay, it is clear my student. Thank you.